Pasca terjadinya gempa dan tsunami di beberapa wilayah di Sulawesi Tengah, pemerintah Kabupaten Gorontalo tak henti-hentinya memberikan perhatian baik dalam bentuk doa maupun bantuan logistik untuk para korban bencana. Kali ini pemerintah Kabupaten Gorontalo kembali memberangkatkan 7 unit mobil truk yang mengangkut berbagai jenis bantuan berupa 1.860 dus mie instan, 1.750 dus air mineral dan ratusan dus perlengkapan bayi, makanan siap saji, terpal serta tikar. Bantuan yang dikirim pemerintah Kabupaten Gorontalo tersebut bukan saja dari jajaran pemerintah daerah, namun ada juga yang berasal dari masyarakat, pengusaha, organisasi muda, BUMD, dan perbankan. Berbagai bantuan ini masuk di posko bantuan pemerintah Kabupaten Gorontalo, diantaranya melalui Dinas Sosial, Bagian Kerjasama Global, dan Setda Kabupaten Gorontalo yang poskonya dipusatkan di Gedung Kasmat Lahai. Asisten 1 Kabupaten Gorontalo Selmin Papeo ditemui setelah melepas tim yang membawa logistik menyampaikan bantuan kali ini diutamakan makanan dan minuman serta keperluan bayi.
This is the filter. This is where the magic happens. This is where the magic happens. It's a very simple filter. And you see the picture here. This is how you can install it. So you just need a bucket and every other thing, all the items come here. Drill the bucket very fast. You have a tool here to drill the bucket. So you drill the bucket.
Okay. With one.
You drill the bucket. You put everything together, and at the end. Water into the bucket, and it's basically ready. Put water in the bucket, open it, water comes in. It's a very simple. Yes, sometimes you need water to do.
And after that, you have to clean the filter every night. Yes.
Every day you have
You
to.
will do it like this. In the other, with clean water, you will put here clean water. This is the way that you use the filter. And then you put in the other side, here clean water, and you will see how
All the dirt and all the bacteria stays in the filter. If you backwash it, so it goes out.
and you have to do
Filter
this
is
like
like
5 to
again.
6 times. Okay.
Tim Liputan Advertorial Mimosa TV.